Hi, pretty girl. You putting on my sunglasses again? Oh.
Mama.
Hi, Chloe.
Hi, Mama.
I love you.
Achoo.
You love me too?
Achoo.
This is why I can't buy expensive sunglasses anymore. What's up? Your hair looks really cute today. Little bedhead. Good morning, Chloe. Can you tell me your ABCs? You got to G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. Yay! Way to finish strong. Good girl. We did it. Yes, we did it. L. M. N. Oh. P. W. X. Y. Z. I love you.